this is a national type project. So you have everybody in the US looking at this project and what you're doing. There's no way we're gonna fail. That's just not an option for us. You're lifting off 1.4 million pounds, driving in 1.5 miles across runways and taxiways and setting it in place. It's just another day at the office.
Concourse D widening project is a widening of an existing concourse.
With it having more space, better amenities for the passengers and improving their experience.
A lot of the general contractors will want to do shut down half the concourse. When you take 8 gates at a time, that's looking at about $3.2 million a day. We do not want to shut down the busiest airport in the world. So we actually modified our plan and what we wanted to do to help the airport and keep those open. So we're building them off-site and then transporting them at night across the runways and taxiways, never shutting down more than 8 gates at a time. We have to know we're right before we have to be right. And that's part of why we chose the Trimble X9 scanner. I can analyze it, know I'm good right there in the field and be able to give my subcontractors good feedback right away. Having the Trimble equipment makes us, I know it's gonna be reliable. I'm gonna get the same answer every single time. Using a scanner, I'm checking my columns. I'm looking at every piece of steel. Using the scanner, I'm checking so much more than I ever was before. It's a very unique project. It's very innovative, setting the standard for how things will be done in the future. This project has been a growing experience for me. Having the ability to apply new technologies, so not just a tool station, using a scanner is the challenge that I get up for every day.
If you plan your work and work your plan, you really have a hard time not succeeding. That's just how we are and who we are.
Everybody did their part to make us successful. The proof's right there.
It's really neat that somebody's talking about what I did being state of the art. And watching those two pieces of the puzzle fit back together, I mean, that's when you just sit there and you kind of smile back and yeah, we did this.